Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Candy Blossom using your dog. To begin, you'll need a dog with a keen sense of smell and a foundation in basic obedience. We will guide you through teaching your canine companion to specifically locate the unique scent of Candy Blossom. Remember, consistent positive reinforcement, like offering a small treat or praise, is crucial for effective training and successful hunts. This method can yield up to 5 blossoms per successful search. Training your dog to find Candy Blossom involves several steps. Begin by placing a small amount of Candy Blossom in a designated training area. Encourage your dog to sniff and explore, rewarding them instantly with a high-value treat or enthusiastic praise when they indicate the scent. Keep these initial sessions brief, around 5 to 10 minutes each, and repeat them 2 or 3 times a day for optimal learning. Consistency is vital for building their scent detection skills. With your dog now proficient in scent detection, it is time to head out. Choose locations where Candy Blossom is known to appear, often near specific landmarks or environmental features. Let your dog lead the way, trusting their nose to guide them. Watch for their trained signal, perhaps a gentle pawing or a sit, indicating they have found a blossom. Once located, carefully collect the item, ensuring you gather all parts without harming the surrounding area. After every successful Candy Blossom discovery, it is essential to reward your dog generously. This reinforces their positive behavior and keeps them motivated for future hunts. A small, tasty treat, a favorite squeaky toy, or enthusiastic verbal praise works wonders. Remember to keep your dog well hydrated during searches, offering water every 15 to 20 minutes. Regular exercise and a balanced diet, along with annual veterinary checkups, will ensure your canine companion remains healthy and ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.